Snakes have been a source of fear and fascination for humans for centuries, and today we're going to learn more about these incredible creatures. Let's get started. Number 5. Indian rock python. The Indian rock python is a non-venomous species found in tropical and subtropical regions of India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. This bad boy can grow up to 20 feet long, but generally, most Indian rock pythons reach their full length at about 9.8 feet. The rock python's color pattern is whitish or yellowish with blotch patterns varying from tan to dark brown shades. This varies with terrain and habitat. Number 4. Burmese python. The Burmese python is one of the longest and largest species of snakes to slither this earth. It's native to Southeast Asia and, shockingly, might even weigh more than you do. When full grown, these pythons have a reputation of getting up to 23 feet long and 350 pounds, though most taper off at about 13 feet, 130 pounds, as if that's not still massive. Snakes usually have only one lung, but the Burmese python has two, one of which is considerably smaller than the other. Number 3. Amethystine python. The amethystine python is a non-venomous snake found in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia. In several countries in its range, it is hunted for its skin, for use in traditional medicine, and for sale as pets. Also known as the scrub python or Sanca primata amongst the locals who most often encounter it, this python has been measured at 27 feet long at its longest. The amethystine is the longest species of snake to naturally roam Australia, and it feeds most often on fruit bats, rats, possums, monitor lizards, and even some birds, depending on the bird size. Number 2. Reticulated python. You'll find the reticulated python in South and Southeast Asia, but as the world's longest snake kept in captivity, it even made the Guinness Book of World Records. You probably won't go looking for this giant gem. Featuring smooth dorsal scales in a multicolored geometric pattern, the reticulated python relies on its scales' disruptive coloration to shield it from predators and offer it opportunities to snatch its prey. It is also hunted for its skin, for use in traditional medicine, and for sale as pets. These snakes are known to be aggressive, so it's often quite difficult to get an accurate reading on the captive reticulated python's weight and length. Did you know that when held in captivity, these snakes are more likely to become obese? And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the biggest snake in the world. And the winner is, drum roll please, the green anaconda. The green anaconda may just cause goosebumps to rise on your arm simply by looking at a picture of it. Yep, this ophidian has been known to grow as much as 30 feet long. Also aptly known as the giant anaconda, as well as the common anaconda, common water boa, or sucuri, this snake is of the boa species and can only be found in South America. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and fun videos. Thanks for watching.